when I went to the elections this term, Ababu Namwamba was working with us at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And because he was my friend, one morning he came and told me, I want to resign. I asked him why. He said, because I want to support you. And I know it's going to be very difficult for me to support you and keep the job I have. I tried to dissuade him not to resign. But I was not very successful. After a few days, he told me, I want to resign. I told him, you go resign. He went and resigned so that he can come and campaign with me. When it was time to appoint cabinet, Ababu Namwamba wanted me to appoint him to another ministry. I will not tell you which one. But I told him, no, I know my team better. And you agree with me that I made the right choice. Ababu Namwamba, you have my support in doing what you're doing in this space. You and me have had a conversation around this space on many occasions, and I have told you where we want to go. And I'm happy you're moving in that direction. And I take this very early opportunity to share with you the outstanding significance of this event and why this moment is a very special milestone in our determined journey towards a radical socio-economic transformation of our country. Our determination to ensure that no one is left behind and everyone gets a dividend of the transformation that inspired us to work together and implement the interventions that we are from the bottom going up so that we can touch every possible life and livelihood. Today is formally designated as the official unveiling of the Platinum